Hi, I'm Damien, manager of the North Fargo Happy Joe's. It's a beautiful summer evening, and I'm here on my deck to do one of my favorite summertime activities, barbecuing. Whether it's beef, chicken, pork, or even shrimp, everyone loves grilling in the summertime. But did you know you can even grill a Happy Joe's pizza? Today I'm going to show you how, with a North Fargo Happy Joe's original, the Kabob pizza. I have right here a chicken kebab pizza, which is already par-baked. It's got fresh chicken on it, flame-roasted vegetables on a barbecue pizza smothered in cheese. So what you do is you just carefully slide it onto the grill, and then you're going to remove the parchment from underneath it, and you're good to go. And this should even work on a coal grill as long as you have a cover for it. And you just close the cover. It's that simple. Now you can do this with any of your favorite Happy Joe's pizzas, even our famous Taco Joe pizza. Just order it par-baked. We'll half-bake it for you so you can finish it on the grill. If you get the taco, we bag up the lettuce, tomatoes, and chips on the side for you, so you can add them after you've taken it off the grill. Now keep an eye on the pizza, and if it bubbles, you can pop it with one of these handy grill forks. If you don't have a grill fork, you can use a regular fork as well. Partially through the baking process, you want to try to rotate the pizza carefully so you don't burn yourself. And then close it up to finish. It should take about 8 to 10 minutes, depending on how hot your grill is. If it's over 425 degrees, it's perfect. Just keep an eye on it. The cheese should be melted and golden brown. Now when the pizza's done, all you have to do is carefully remove it from the grill and slide it back onto the box. And be careful not to burn yourself. This can be a little tricky. Beautiful looking. Now you can order one of these before you go out of town for the weekend, and we'll par-bake it for you. And once it's in the box, you can just cut it. I got my Enterprise pizza cutter here. Hear that crunch? It's perfect. Ooh, it's hot. Check out those grill marks on the bottom. Perfectly done. A perfect treat on a summer day. Call the North Fargo Happy Joe's and order one for yourself.